Okay, I had a chance to work on your design, and through the magic of software, as you can see, we've removed the walls that I think you'd like to remove. Gives you a little bit more open feel with the kitchen. We'll talk you through the sink and stove wall first. Got a base cabinet here with a door and a drawer. You could put roll-out trays in here, but I think it's kind of skinny in my book. It's not wide enough, but we could put roll-out trays in here. Wall cabinet, microwave. This wall cabinet is the same size as this wall cabinet, just to give it some balance on either side of the window. Wall base cabinet with a drawer and a door. This could have rollout trays in it. This is wide enough. Sink base, dishwasher. I like putting a bank of drawers next to a dishwasher because this is where your cutlery would go, in these drawers here. There's 4 of them. We have a drawer and 2 doors, and behind this would have rollout trays. Wall cabinet here. Crown molding going to the ceiling. Then on the other side we have, these are 15 inches deep. I decided not to bump out the middle cabinet here because I wanted to give as much room for the island as possible. But this is what I have in mind here. We have cabinet doors prepared for glass with a mullion, with mullions. You can see the mullions right here. That's what they call a mullion, a wood mullion going across, and this cabinet has the same thing. And of course, you can see the countertop going all the way across here. Then I've flushed the toe kicks in each of these cabinets. Normally you'd see a toe kick, which you can see, way down here. See, this cabinet here has a toe kick, which is a little notch, allowing your toes to kick up against that piece of wood there. But to give this more of a decorative look, I gave this a flush toe kick along here. And inside these cabinets would have, because they're only 15 inches deep, these cabinets would have adjustable trays and adjustable shelves inside. Same with these wall cabinets here, adjustable shelves. And you see the refrigerator. I gave it a panel next to it to give it a built-in look, then a cabinet above it, crown molding. And we can talk about the island a little bit. Length of this island's probably about 7 feet. Only problem is the distance here and the distance here, from here is about 37 inches. And the depth of this is about 20 inches. Where the guideline and I've done it less, but the guideline is 42 inches. So it's a little on the tight side, in my opinion. And 20 inches is a little on the skinny side. I wouldn't go any skinnier than 20 inches. Looks kind of funny if you do. And this would be a pull-out trash, a double pull-out trash, so you have room for recycling with a drawer on top. You can see the posts at the end holding up the countertop, two of them. Can you put a chair here? It's a little tight because the posts are kind of, I don't think you can put a chair in between these two posts. A chair is probably about the size of my yellow circle. And usually we like to see 30 inches of room for a chair. I don't think you'd want chairs over on this side because that would conflict with whoever's cooking. So you'd probably put 2 chairs over here, I would say. And then maybe somebody can stand here. That kind of gives you the lay of the land. And what I think you have in mind, the only thing I see in my notes is a tray-based cabinet we talked about. Depending on the size of this wall, what it ends up being is maybe we can put a tray-based cabinet here, or I can. This would be a good place for a tray-based cabinet, being next to the stove. So this cabinet here. I know you already have things in there that you probably store. But I'm sure we could probably find a place to put the trays. Let me know if I'm on the right track. I'm going to be leaving the office for a vacation tomorrow, Wednesday, the 6th of February. And it's going to be a pretty good vacation. 10 days is when I'm returning. So we can certainly chat some more. But I certainly welcome your feedback by email, letting me know whether I'm on the right track.